The strawberries of Ostara have bloomed really well. There's more blooms on the way. We have some more in the front garden. Here we're in the back garden in the nursery area. Those are the Malvina, which are blooming later. And here are the strawberries in the front garden, the Ostara variety. You can see the white blooms. We have some garlic just over there to separate the two varieties. We have blueberries. This is the Duke variety, I believe. Yes. Pretty blooms. We need to sort out some sort of fencing for the strawberries and some cover to protect them from birds and hair. We saw one running into the neighbor's hedge just yesterday, so we must be very careful, because otherwise they will be munching all the strawberries. I was just checking earlier to see if more wine caps have popped out in the wood chipped areas or in some grassy areas where I've also put wood chips previously. There's none here so far, but hopefully they will once the weather will be warmer. Among the strawberries we also have some potato plants. In this parcel here we had, in this part of the garden, last year we had potatoes growing and some were remained in the soil. They showed up now. They say it's not wise, or it's not advisable to plant strawberries and potatoes together, because the strawberries might catch some disease or whatever, but I let them grow. We'll see how they do. Not I'll move them around. The plan is to move some of the plants in other areas of the garden. It's just for this year, this is where we had the best soil, some of the best soil anyway. In other parts of the garden it's much more compacted and it's very rocky, so I wanted to give the best chance for the strawberries to grow well here, establish, and in the autumn next year I'll be transplanting some of these beautiful strawberries in another part of the garden, or their runners, because they do need more space. We'll see how they grow this year. Probably have a very dense canopy, which would be good and offer some more protection from birds. But yeah, we'll see how they do with the potatoes in here as well. They'll be okay. The garlic is doing well so far. It was planted very late, but we might leave it for another year, until next year I mean, because it was planted only weeks ago, and I also planted the strawberries. Normally garlic is supposed to be planted in the autumn, but we did it this way. So many strawberry blooms. We planted in total 500 strawberry plants, 250 of the Malvina variety and 250 of the Ostara. Roughly, I think unless I miscounted some of them, but that was the order, 500 plants. So we'll see how they do. I also put some in pots over here, so I can have space, suitable space for them. Some hazel saplings been growing in pots for quite some time, and the sun came out. And this here, we are waiting for more wine caps to pop through. Once we'll have temperatures of at least 16 degrees during the day and 10 plus during the night. Some came out here already. I picked some recently. We just had some wine caps for breakfast, among other things. But yeah, the wood chip is very dense here. You can see it's looking great. So I expect a lot of wine cap mushrooms, edible mushrooms, to pop through here in the coming days and weeks, once the sun will be shining a bit more. Lots of things happening in the garden, including the new polytunnel we've been sorting out, in which we moved plants recently. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a comment what you enjoyed, what you'd like to see more of. Thank you. Take care.